first team that we would like to recognize for our winter sports team is our girls varsity basketball team. Let's hear it for the girls varsity basketball team. These girls finished 4th in the league, 11 and 13 overall. They qualified for the state tournament. Unfortunately, they were unsuccessful on Tuesday night, but they had a great season and qualified for the state tournament. Let's hear it one more time for the girls varsity basketball team. We had 3 of our wrestlers qualify for the state tournament, and the first wrestler we'd like to recognize is Cooper Dunn. Let's hear it for Cooper. Cooper qualified for the state tournament at the 113-pound classification. He had 2 wins at state over Eaton High School, a wrestler from Eaton High School, and a wrestler from Jefferson High School, and he was 1 match away from placing. Let's hear it for Cooper. Next wrestler to qualify for state is Kyle Owen. Let's hear it for Kyle. Kyle qualified for state at 144 pounds. At the state tournament, he had 5 wins, 4 in a row against very tough competition. And he finished and placed 3rd in the state of Colorado at 144 pounds. Let's hear it for Kyle. And can I get a drum roll, please? Let's hear it for Thomas Lee. Thomas qualified for state at 106 pounds. He did not lose a match in the state tournament. 3 of his matches he won by pin, 1 by decision, and Thomas Lee is a state champion. There are 2 more people that really helped these 3 young men, and I want to recognize them really quick. Coach Antones and Coach